Alright guys, so in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to cloak affiliate links in WordPress using a pretty cool free plugin called Pretty Links. So Pretty Links is a plugin that I use whenever I sign up for an affiliate program. Usually they'll give you a long looking link like this. So if you're using social media like YouTube or something like that, you could post the affiliate link usually directly, but whenever I'm in WordPress I like to cloak my affiliate links. I just think it looks much cleaner and it's just much easier for the user too, because it takes a long link like this and makes it much shorter. So I'll just show you guys exactly how to install this plugin. There is a premium version of it, but you can simply download the free version by simply going from plugins to add new, and then you just simply wait for it to load. And then once you get to add plugins, you want to type into the search plugins box. You want to type in the name Pretty Link. Okay, type in the word Pretty Link, wait for it to load. It should show up as like the first result. There it is, short links by Pretty Link. So you just click install now here, and then that'll switch to activate, and then you simply hit activate, and then now you'll be able to go on the left side and deal with the plugin. So you know, there is actually a premium version that you can activate. It costs I believe it costs about, okay, so I just want to quickly talk about the premium version. It's on sale right now. It costs $59 per year if you're only setting up one site. And basically what it does, it allows you to auto-link keywords and extra things like that. But for starters, you really only need the free version. So we just simply go over to, back to the dashboard, go over to Pretty Links, and let's take a look at the dashboard, see what it looks like. Pretty solid plugin. Best of all, it makes it really easy to cloak those affiliate links and kind of just organize everything much better right under your WordPress. So all you do is you simply go to the dashboard. As you can see, it's grouped by link title. You can put it in a category, add tags, and for me I have the premium plugin, so I can automatically change my keywords. It also tracks clicks, and it gives you a quick link to copy. So let's say you have an affiliate link. All you want to do is go up here, you want to click add new. And then once you click add new, you just simply wait for it to load. Here we are. And then you simply enter the name that you want to track. So let's just do an example. We'll just type in example link. Okay, so the redirection, usually I just leave it at 307 as the default. The target URL, that's going to be what you want the link to go to. So let's say you want to send your affiliate link to google.com. And then down here now, with the premium version, you can actually add a slug in front of it. But if you have the free version, you won't be able to do that. So you can just simply change this to something like google.com. And then these are some personal notes. And if you want to add it to a simple link category, and then you would hit a update, and that would publish the link. So then what you'll be able to do is once you go back over here, you'll be able to see that link within your Pretty Link dashboard, and then you can easily copy the link. So let's say you're writing a new post or something like that. There's actually two ways to copy links. The first way you can do it is you just simply go over here to the right side and you just hit this button, copy to clipboard. That'll automatically grab the permalink. But then there's another way I'm going to show you how to grab the links if you're in your WordPress dashboard. Okay, so now the second easiest way to grab the link is, let's say I'm typing something and I say this is an example. So I begin typing out a sample post that I'm going to write. This is an example, and let's say I wanted to turn example into an affiliate link. I would just highlight the text example, and then I would come over here and I would hit that little arrow down, that down arrow, and then I would click Pretty Link. And then let's say I wanted to add the Webull link. I type in Webull here, and boom, I can quickly grab the link and say insert Pretty Link, and that'll turn into a link. Okay guys, so that's basically the simple way to add affiliate links, to cloak them. And then there's some extra stats that I really like for Pretty Links, you can track your clicks, which is another free feature. And there's another plugin that's pretty popular as well. It's called Thirsty Affiliates, but you can't really track your links well unless you upgrade. So the nice thing about Pretty Links is that you can simply track your clicks with the free version, and of course in the premium version gives you guys a lot more options. So as you can see here, we just take a look at clicks, and it's tracking clicks by the IP address, the time it was clicked, the URL that was clicked, which page referred it, and then there's the link itself. So, and then you can also take a look at the clicks you have by day. So pretty useful data, guys. That's about it with this plugin. I'll probably make another video later with a more advanced version coming to premium version, but I just wanted to give you guys a quick and easy way to simply cloak your affiliate links in WordPress and make some extra money. So if you guys are interested in affiliate marketing, things like that, or you want to cloak referral links for anything, download that Pretty Links plugin. Awesome plugin. I highly recommend it. So that's it for now, guys. Please hit that subscribe button if you enjoyed this video, and smash that like button as well. I really enjoy making these videos, so if you're looking for more content or some more ideas on affiliate marketing, things like that, just let me know. So that's it for now, guys, and take care.